Good morning, guys. Can you hear me? Great, great. Yes, låt oss tjäna pengar. Exactly. Good afternoon. A little bit frustrating gap down in the markets. I was short this BP, took a small loss on it because it didn't break down, and now it's gapping down 5-6%. SPXL, I was short. I was short starter midday, and I also had a starter late day, and I got stopped out both times, and we gapped down 7-9%. Super annoying. Tesla, oh yeah, Tesla. I held small overnight. I was short, I shorted it like early midday and then late midday, and had a nice fade. I covered most, held some overnight, then Goldman Sachs upgraded it, had a big move, stopped me out, and now I got back in a starter. Let's see if this thing will go down. It does have a range on the 60-minute chart if you include the pre-market after hours data. It has a range at 731 it needs to break. But so far it's showing relative strength. Yesterday it showed relative weakness. Like the Qs rallied mid-late day. The Qs had a big rally while Tesla couldn't rally, and it actually faded. So we'll see if when the market opens, if the intraday weakness sets back in. So that's gonna be my main watch. Otherwise, I'm hoping the indices can rally. Hopefully we have a big rally. I would love to see the SPYs rally back to 280s or more. For a potential short. Super annoying gap down. If we had gapped up instead, that would have been a 5-star setup. I would have done a lot of size on that trade. But just not giving us any easy trades right now. Like Tesla too. This thing, I actually talked about it on the long side when it was back here in a tight range. I thought about it, you know, if it goes below that, I'll short. If it goes above that, I'll go long. But instead it gapped up and I never got in it. And it went up 30% in a few sessions. Super annoying. And it gapped up because the market's gapped up. It's not an easy trading environment. A lot of setups are screwed by the daily gaps up and down. Super annoying. Yeah, it's super. This is, you know, even though we've had a big rally, this is not a healthy market unless you correctly time the bounce. This is, I still think this is a bear market rally unless proven otherwise. And I'm treating it as one. Like there was a lot of setups yesterday that broke out. Some of them failed. Shady obviously stopped me out late day. And Tencent, I took a small profit on it because it was such a slow mover. And I just sold it like midday because I didn't want to. Because when I saw Shady started fading, I sold the Tencent just in case. But Tencent obviously closed really strong. But it's a slow mover too. So as soon as I bought it, I realized how slow this thing is. Yeah. Yeah, it's just a lot of patience. Need a lot of patience. A lot of patience. ICD, unfortunately, I covered it yesterday. I just have no patience right now. I don't know what it is. I can't hold things. Why didn't I just hold my ICD? Idiot. I had half size, so I was like, oh, fuck it, I'll just cover it. Vive. Yeah, Vive came out of a long range. Yeah, the entry was a few weeks ago. Yeah, exactly. There's no entry here right now. Let's see here, Tesla. AYTU, I'm watching this thing also. That's some, it's a Corona stock. It had a big move yesterday. Probably gonna fade here, but we'll see. Tesla opening range lows, I will short it. Or I will add to it. 743, oh my god, so many alerts going off. Okay, Tesla, so now I have started from pre-market and I added a little bit more to it. If you look at the 60-minute chart, it's taking out the long range here. 731 was the range break. Let's see if it can break down from here or not. Oh my god, what are these alerts? Why do I have so many alerts? Oh my god, it's one of those days. At least they're triggering out of the gate. That's a good thing, I guess. Damn it, ICD fucked it up. What are these alerts? Oh, okay. AYTU. Oh, BP. Arcia. Oh, Tesla got stopped out. The Spirit Aero Systems is in a big bear flag. Looks like it's breaking lower. Yeah, Amazon and Netflix. Yeah, Netflix is a beast. You could say that. All right, let's let Tesla do what it has to do. Let's only ignore for now, unless it takes out opening range lows. BA, yeah, BA is super weak too. Couldn't rally with the market yesterday. Also in a big bear flag type of a thing. Yeah. I'm watching some of these triple ETFs like SPXL, TQQ, and SOXL. Right now they are trying to bounce after the gap down, but maybe later in the day, let's see how they act. I'm gonna short the weakest one. And the past 2 sessions, the weakest one has been SPXL, the SPYs. But let's see if they keep being the weakest today. Tesla is doing its thing, let it squeeze out. TDOC guided higher. Not a surprise there. AYTU is not going away, so I'm putting it back on watch. TDOC is short tomorrow. Why tomorrow? Do you know something I don't know? Why is it a short tomorrow? Is there any kind of an event? Any kind of news coming? Like some kind of forward-looking event or? Guidance yesterday? Yeah, but why is it a short tomorrow? That's what I want to know. All built in after today's rally. Wow, Tesla. Will it go to 1,000 this time? Okay, I bought 150,000 AYT opening range highs. Let's see if this thing can have any. It's just taking out a long range from the 60-minute chart on big volume. Let's see if it can have any follow through. It's COVID-19. Is it COVID-19? Yeah, COVID-19 testing. I think they do test kits. Let's see if there is any juice in this thing. Interestingly, semiconductor names are the weakest ones. Soxol is about to take out the lows of the day. 16, okay. Semiconductors are the weakest ones. Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Zoom just keeps on zooming higher. Zoom had a 1 to 200 reverse split. Pretty insane. Good thing about the gap down today is there's not going to be a lot of things in scans. I hate when there's 500 stocks popping up in my scans. Soxol, I just shorted some. If you look at the SMH, had a big rally, got rejected off this 150 day, and now it looks like may want to take a leg lower. Again, I'm not buying in this. I just don't. I don't buy this rally. I think it is a bear market rally. And the only way that's going to convince me otherwise, if we pull back, go sideways for a bit, and then see if the leading growth stocks are holding up or not. But until then, I won't be convinced. I won't be convinced. Oh, so, SPXL looks like I got stopped in a starter on this thing too. Or actually, it's not a starter. It's like half size. Let's see. Damn, this BP. Oh. So annoying. Super annoying. Oh my god, Soxol! Really? That's a nice down candle. I should probably cover a few. I got back in starter, tiny size on Tesla on the first red 5-minute candle, break of the first red 5-minute candle. I will add opening range lows. It's still showing relative strength, just a starter, tiny size. I don't want to build a position in Tesla until it starts showing some relative weakness. I don't know how it's gonna show relative weakness when the markets are straight down, but you know, somehow. Remember, we can always go back as violently as we went up the past 3 weeks. I'm not saying we will, but we could. But I have no idea really. What is this? Yes. Shit picks this up. Muscle Maker. What? Is this a real company? Muscle Maker? What the hell do they sell? Ticker symbol grill. Nice. What on oh, CHCI. It was a while ago this thing ran. CPHI. Okay, they're running this China Steel stock. CNET. Are they running CNET? No, not CNET. There was a couple of years ago they ran CPHI, CHCI, and CNET. All China stocks that started with C, they ran higher, several 100% in a few days. Find the logic in that. That was a couple of years ago. Was it maybe 2018, early 2018? Late 2017. lift. Oh, they sell fitness meal plans, okay. SQQQ, yeah, this is like TVIX, VXX. It's programmed to go towards 0, but it will never will because they reverse split this thing. But yeah, it's a similar. As soon as fear goes out of the market, this thing starts inching towards 0. It's not gonna go to 0, but it is programmed to go towards 0. Oh, AYTU looks like I totally forgot about this one. It stopped me out. It stopped me out. No juice so far. NVAX and LVGO are both very strong. Peloton is strong too. Looks like they want to take this thing higher. VXRT. Yeah, VXRT is coming out of a range. It's, you know, I would, if it had volume, I would buy it. But yeah, it looks good. Good risk reward setup. Question is if we can have follow through. BA, yeah, BA is super heavy. It's rolling over in the 60-minute chart. Is it a good short at that point? At what point? SQQQ. It will be a better short if it has run. Like if it's gone up 50-100%, that's when you enter this thing. Not when it's like down 50% in a few weeks. That's not a great entry. APT. Yeah, it's building a range. It's building a range. It probably needs a few more days to set up a bit better, I think. Skodex is also not going away. Another Corona name. Gonna go through the virus watch list, see if there are any good. So I think I forgot to go through this watch list yesterday. I usually always go through it every day. INO is breaking lower. AYTU, NVAX, obviously I'm long, looks really good. BNTX looks like shit. PSTI is a newer name, look holding up well. CPH. Apron. Apron is flagging nicely. VIR looks like it wants to break lower on the 60-minute chart and the daily. Oh, BMRA, this one had a really nice chart 2 days ago, but no follow through. That's what I think will happen to VXRT2. It looks good today, and then tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, it's just gonna go lower again. It's not really been a follow-through type of a market, unfortunately. Soxu looks like shit. I wish I had done more size, but I didn't. I did about half size or 2/3 size on it, unfortunately. SPXL also half size about that or so. Or actually it's more than half size. 2/3 maybe. Yeah, market down Corona. Yeah. Tesla is now below VWAP. It's got rejected off the VWAP twice now. You know what? I'm gonna do a starter. Maybe not yet. I will short it if it takes out opening range lows, but I may cheat. I just can't help myself. It's a very tight stop on a small size. I'll wait a little bit. But right now it is holding below VWAP. Uber is starting to break down too. But yeah, there's no point in doing the individual names. I think these triple ETFs are better. You don't take on any especially if you want to swing trade these like I am, because there's no company specific risk in these. DXM is strong. APT as it goes down in SQQQ as it goes down in up market. I don't know. I don't know what you're implying. In Europe, it's not possible to trade this. No, it's not. Nope. I have an Interactive Brokers account that I trade US stocks with. It's my smallest account, but like a couple of years ago, they took away that possibility. I used to be able to trade the triple ETFs and ETFs overall, the American ones, but not anymore. So now I don't really use my Interactive Brokers account much. It's super annoying. Hard to short ETFs on TD Ameritrade. Okay, if you have an American account with TD Ameritrade, you should probably switch a broker, because ETFs should not be hard to. They should never ever be hard to borrow or hard to short. Why is that? IB, because my IB account is. Even though it's a US account, it's for some reason not based in US. It's super weird. It's in a British, it's based in Britain. Like I opened a US account, but it's not entirely a US account for some reason. Let's see if Tesla can fail at VWAP again. Yeah, but because you're not in Europe. New Zealand is not Europe. There's European regulations about American ETFs, or I guess international ETFs. They're restricted for some reason. It's like the dumbest thing ever. IB is great, unless you're in Europe. It used to be great. Exactly. Yeah, I guess they want Europeans to use the European ETFs. Typical Europe, just a bunch of stupid regulation. Doesn't really help anyone. Or I guess, okay, triple ETFs, I guess that's a good thing. But, that they restricted the regular ETFs, that's kind of dumb in my opinion. But I do think it's a good thing because most people just lose money on these triple ETFs anyways. Oh, good thing I sold Tencent yesterday. Ha! Gapping down. What's JD doing? Is JD gapping down too? Yeah, a little bit. That's why you never buy breakouts in a choppy market. Or in a high volatility market, that is. High volatility market. What the hell is this tab? How did I create this tab? How do I get rid of it? Okay, here. Exactly, we have these CFD brokers. Yeah, the CFD instruments are pretty popular among like retail investors. It's just so stupid, like incredible leverage in those things. I've never traded any CFD, but I know people who do, and it's just it's poison. It really is poison. But hey, let's ban the US ETFs because they're dangerous. Exactly. Exactly, it's a better business. Soxel is hanging out near the lows. SPXL is, let's see, TQQQ. Yeah. I guess they're all weak so far. But I fully expect to get stopped out of everything. I've been so conditioned to getting stopped out of stuff the past few weeks. I don't even... I've given up all hope. Tesla so far is... if it starts breaking this low 730s, I may take... I may add a little bit. Nah, it's too strong. It should be near the lows of the day, or it should have already broken the lows of the day. We'll see. Carvana is weak. This Carvana squeezed almost 300% of the lows. Pretty incredible. Tesla is about to reclaim VWAP. Yeah, let's see. I think these indices may take out the highs of the day. It wouldn't surprise me. We didn't get. It would have been better if we had gotten a bounce and maybe retested the highs of yesterday in the major indices. That would have been a much better setup. Now it's just hard to have conviction on stuff. Yeah, APT. I just don't see any follow through for this thing. Lake is kind of strong too. It's super thin. Space is strong too. Space came roaring back. Yeah, speculative sentiment is really back. Just look at the runners we've had the past couple of sessions. It's pretty incredible. We had this Son that gapped up 200%, or actually ran 200%. Neuro that went from $1 to $6 in 2 or 3 sessions. This, MAPE, I guess. There was a few others. Let's see. I don't remember tickers right now. The one I shorted, what was the symbol? I don't remember the symbol. I have such bad memory. Whatever. Yeah, Works is another one, absolutely. Just went from 2 to almost 15 in one day. Pretty damn insane. But it looks like this one, it may actually be a legit one. First I was afraid they just had a typo in the PR, but they haven't amended it, so I guess it may be a legit one. In that case, if the PR is correct, it deserves to be here. Up here. Yeah, ICD, that's another one. Oh my god, why did I cover yesterday? Oh man, this could have been such a big trade. Could have been such a big trade. I got filled half size and then I covered way too early. Oh, I misplayed it. I haven't been good at trading these small cap pumps or micro cap pumps for the past few months. I've sucked at them pretty much the whole year. When was the last time I really nailed one of these micro cap pumps? I don't even remember. Have I nailed any of them this year? I mean, there has to be some I nailed, but any big ones, I can't remember any big ones that I nailed. I don't know what the hell is going on. Need to up my game a little bit. Looks like the markets want to bounce. LVGO straight up. Too bad I don't have a lot of size on it. I really have only small size on it. Partly because it was very thin. Okay, AYTU took out the lows for the day. There's nothing here. Tesla is about to take out the highs of the day. I think Tesla is gonna be a big trade, but it needs to squeeze out. It really needs to squeeze out. Yeah, Apron. Yeah, that was a nice trade, but the thing is, I only had half size on it, and I covered way too early. Yeah, okay. Apron. Yeah. That was a pretty good one. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, that was a decent one. Not a huge one, but considering I had half size, I covered like 30% too early. I just can't believe the move it made. It went down like 64% intraday. You don't see those kinds of moves very often. Yeah, Apron. That's that one warms my heart. And you had like, I don't know, 20-second window to get in. Had to be so fast. Why? Why do you feel that? What changed the past 2 years? Okay. Yeah, maybe. Half size? Half size? 5 inches. 5 inches is half size in Sweden. Nope, markets cannot bounce so far. Markets are staying near the lows, but Tesla is staying near the highs. That tells you something. This thing wants to go higher. It's kind of weird. Like yesterday, it showed relative weakness all day, and today it's showing relative strength. It's like, who the hell wants to buy it so badly up here today? And why didn't they want to buy as badly yesterday? Oh boy, yeah, it sounds a bit different. Yeah. But we'll see if it stays down. If QQQs take out yesterday's highs this week, what is it? Is it Friday, Wednesday? Yeah, this week I'm gonna quit trading. Oh yeah, works. I think they have a. Oh yeah, they have a CC today. I forgot about it. 11 a.m. That's is it? Wait, 11 a.m. That's in 44 minutes, right? Yeah. They have some kind of a conference call. I totally forgot about it. Okay, SPXL taking out lows. Soxel not taking out lows. Interesting. TQQ is the strongest one again. Spies are the weakest. And Tesla, let's see. It has a range 733 on the 60-minute chart. That's the first area it needs to lose, and the second area would be lows for the day. Those, I guess, will be the entry points for me. But it's still showing relative strength, which I don't like at all. $26.36. That's a very specific target. $26.36. Why $26.36? Heck, I hope we go there today. Let's get there today. Let's pull the rug on every crazy person that bought the market, who bought breakouts yesterday. I mean, they are on the way. I mean, I don't know. There's still hope. I read that the cruises are fully booked like for next year, 2021. There are more bookings than an average year because people are postponing the cruises. I mean, the business is not going to go away, but yeah, the question is if these companies survive. If the current equity holders survive, that's the question. But the companies are obviously not going away. Bullshit? Why is it bullshit? It's hard data. Nah, I think once this corona stuff is over and people realize the world didn't end, I think people are still gonna go on cruises. No refunds? Okay. They have already booked that revenue? Yeah, we'll see. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm watching these cruise lines. They are kind of bear flagging, definitely. Definitely are bear flagging. Maybe I hope they can go sideways for another day or two here and then break down. Take a cruise. I always wanted to take a cruise. But maybe when I get older. I would get bored as hell, I think. If I want to take a cruise, yeah, why not? When Corona goes away, if it does go away, I wouldn't mind. Yeah, yeah, exactly. You go, yeah, exactly. Yeah, I guess maybe I wouldn't get bored. I don't know. Into Qantas. Qantas, is it an airline? Qantas. What's Qantas? Qantas. How do you spell it? Australian one? Oh, okay. Qantas Airways. Yeah, as you know, some of these airlines, especially if they are like partially state-owned, those are probably not gonna go away. They're just gonna get bailed out. Exactly, exactly. If I'm a mentor for some traders, not really. Like, nah. I mean, I answer questions and stuff, but I wouldn't say I'm a mentor per se. It's not like I'm spending a lot of time on a few specific people. That I'm not doing. Moral hazard? I don't know. Tesla. Yeah, it's so far. Okay, now it's below VWAP again. But it's because the markets... Actually, QQQs are not tanking. Interesting. QQQs are actually building higher lows intraday. That's what I want to see. Like, if I want to see Tesla show some relative weakness. Amazon and Netflix, yeah, the large cap ones. Yeah, Netflix. Man, I should have bought that break. That was one of the best charts in the market. Took out. It's been building higher lows for like 2 years or year and a half, and then took out this 2-year range. That's a pretty good, pretty good chart pattern. And Amazon too. This one also. It's been building higher lows for over 2 years. Yeah, I'm not gonna buy these things now. I'm not sure. I mean, these are really the only two stocks that are rallying. There's not that many other ones that are rallying. There are some, I guess, like Okta, kinda. Okta hasn't even taken out the highs yet. Okay, Q, kinda. MDB, nah, not really. Yeah, Viv is a nice one. Nice little niche SaaS business, healthcare SaaS stock. If it can just tighten up a little bit, would be nice. Yeah, exactly. Shut the fuck up and buy. Yeah, I talked about the Fed. Front running the Fed. This SPR is in a major bear flag here. Looks like it wants to break lower. I'm not gonna buy it. It's not my type of setup, but it is looking very weak. It's like the opposite of a bull triangle. This is a bear triangle. But I'm not gonna touch it. I prefer shorting stuff like Tesla once they stop going up, once they start taking out, once they go into backside. But obviously, sometimes or many times the best shorts are the ones that are actually weak and not strong. Twilio short. I mean, look, I think you could as well short like SPXL or TQQQ. And you don't have to do company-specific risk. Because if this thing goes down, it probably means the markets go down, and then you may as well do the triple ETFs. That's my opinion. Oh, wow, okay, the European problem. Yeah, okay, yeah, well, Twilio, yeah, I mean, I guess. Yeah, I mean, if the markets go down, this will go down. Yeah, I guess your risk is $2, and yeah. Can this thing pull back $20 if we go lower? Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, sure. Just make sure there are no planned events or anything on it. Options activity. I don't follow options activity, to be honest. There's only so many things you can, like, there's only so many indicators you can use. I just don't. I've followed options, but the problem is like the options are often wrong in their timing. And you know, I didn't see an edge for myself there. So I don't really follow. Yeah, exactly. I just want to follow as few things as possible. Like I subscribe to OptionSock. If you know the site, Joe Kankula on Twitter, or OptionSock on Twitter. He has also this option site. I subscribe to it, so I get the nightly and pre-market email where he highlights options activity, etc., etc. Like I get those emails, and I just looked through them real quick, and you know, it's really not. I don't think there is an edge there for myself personally. mRNA. Oh man, they had some insider sales yesterday. I'm a little bit pissed I got stopped out a few days ago or last week. But it looks good. It's high tide flagging. Oh man, this thing could go to 50. If it takes out this flag, oh my, man. Oh man, I had such a good entry here in low 31s, and I got stopped out. Took a small tiny loss on it, and now it's higher. Oh man, I've been trading so bad past few weeks. I can't believe it. I mistraded like everything. Looks like the markets are bouncing now. Or wait, they're not. TQQs are strong. But SPYs are near the lows of the day. Interesting. Uh, 1 minute short on mRNA. Yeah. NVAX is weakening. NVAX is also working on some vaccine, but mRNA, I guess, has gotten more media exposure. Yeah, exactly. I mean, just open a US account. You could just open a US account. SC, it needs to build a base. This is another one I got shaken out of. I had an entry. I was in this thing on this day here in the like 44s, 45s. I got shaken out. They took out the lows of the day, and I never got back in, and it's up 10% since. It's just so hard to trade the breakouts in a market like this. It's super hard, and it needs to go sideways. Yeah, I think it's a great idea to have several brokers and several platforms. Because if one platform goes down, now thankfully I haven't experienced my platform going down in a couple of years, but it always sucks when it does. And if you are in something overnight and you need to get stopped out, if you have a backup account, backup platform, you can always hedge that position. Ah, look, I mean, Shady, really? Really? Oh man, I don't want to look at these things. These growth stocks they're super choppy, but they're going higher. But they're just so choppy. And it's just like that, took out yesterday's highs. Okay, great. Oh my god. Exactly, just buy everything. Don't use stops. You'll just get shaken out. Just remember, don't use stops. Who needs stops? Stops are for losers. Stops are for people who want to get shaken out. Exactly. QE trading guide. Just buy and forget. That's the QE trading. Tesla is weakening now. That's interesting. Tesla is weakening. It is. Yeah, it's holding. Now it's holding below VWAP and it's been building a little bit of higher lows. So it's still early. It needs to weaken more. It could just bounce back higher and rip. But so far it is weakening a little bit. Forex traders who don't use stops. Okay, so what do they do when a position goes against them? What do you do? Especially if you get into like a black swan type of event. Like I've seen currency moves of 10-15%. A couple of times. You add, oh my god, that sounds like they're gonna blow up sooner or later. What happens if you get on the wrong side of a black swan? You're done. Let's say you're used to like 1-2% moves, and then you get a 15% move. And every few percent you add. Yeah, exactly. I was thinking of that. Euro, Swiss franc, right? That was, I know some fund. I think it was a hedge fund that blew up on it. Yeah, exactly. So you get one event like that, you're done. You're done. Your career is over. Thanks, bye. Exactly. Deposit more cash and try again. Yeah, and even if it always comes back to the mean, in the meanwhile, you can blow out. You'll get a margin call and you're done. Thanks. Now you own money. Now you owe money, right? Yeah, I've never traded Forex. I really don't know. I just keep to the stuff I understand. And heck, I barely understand stocks, so I barely understand stocks. I have no business. I tried options. I'm too scared of doing futures or Forex. I've tried Bitcoin, Ethereum. Exactly. The most important thing is not what you know, is that you realize the things you don't know. I think that's more important than knowing a lot of stuff. Knowing what you don't know, I think, is more important. Because it keeps you out of trouble. And if you can stay out of trouble, you only need to do a few things right and you'll get successful anyways. Okay, Tesla is weakening now. Let's see if it takes out the lows on the 60-minute chart here. I'll get back in a starter, and they takes out the lows of the day. I'll add more. I'll add. Exactly, circle of competence. How do you become decisive? I have no idea what you mean. What do you mean decisive? Decisive in what way? Yeah, tons of and not only screen time. Like I think one really has to go back in time, look at charts, look at news, look at what moves stocks, look at the moves in correlation to the overall markets. You have to do a lot of studying and watching, looking at the different nuances of the markets. It takes thousands and thousands of hours. Thousands. Yeah, you need conviction. Like conviction you get by experience. By doing. Okay, I got back in. I started on Tesla. It's probably just gonna stop me out. I'm getting used to it, but you know, in case it doesn't, in case it actually is gonna fade, we'll see. Yeah, Pixie. I know I looked at it earlier today. Uh-huh. Okay, yeah. Did they have any news? Or is it just a random pump? I know this thing was like was it a crypto pump, I think, a few years ago. I think they tried to pump it as a crypto play. Yeah, William O'Neill books, How to Make Money in Stocks. That's the best one. Then there are a couple of Mark Minervini books that I think are pretty good. He talks about like probabilities and the position sizing and stuff like that. I think those are those are some of the best ones. Those are my favorites. Like if you wanna, you know, really understand, you know, market mechanics and like fundamentals and stuff like that. There's a lot of great trading books. Like the Nicholas Darvas book is good. And that one also has a great story. It's great storytelling. T-Doc acting really well. And Zoom too. Damn, these things are just straight up. $2,000? Nah. Maybe 450. It's actually up like almost 50% in a month. That's a pretty big move. Oh, in WorkX has a CC in 14 minutes. No idea what that's gonna be all about. TQQs, it's about to take out the highs of the day. QQQs are just the strongest ones. I'm probably gonna get stopped out of my SPXL and SOXL. But now Tesla is definitely showing relative weakness to the Nasdaq 100. Tesla is staying below VWAP so far, while QQQs are at the highs of the day. So now it's finally showing some relative weakness. Very interesting. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Now let's say we keep squeezing in the markets for a few hours, and once we stop going up, I think Tesla could have a big fade if the relative weakness stays. Oh, never mind. I'm not short Tesla yet. Oh, and I never. Oh, okay. I thought I had a. Okay, I have a sell order. I thought I had a sell order at 733, but I had a sell order at 731.50. Okay. All right. So I'm not short this thing yet. I'm gonna wait until the works conference call. Then I'll cut the stream. Just wanna see what they say. Doing some gaming meanwhile. Who the hell are these guys? Oh, it looks like the major indices are bouncing. But Tesla is still staying below VWAP. Interestingly. I'm intrigued by the relative weakness so far. Could have a big fade later on in the day, just like yesterday. Oh my god, I'm getting killed here. How the hell can it be so strong? Okay. Yeah, CS had a little bit of a breakout yesterday. Okay, they are deploying over there. Those are my units, right? Where should I land them? I'm gonna land them here. Pro gamer streaming on Twitch. Yeah, I started gaming again. I played this game a long time ago. It's kind of fun. Exactly. This is backup for when the market goes straight up and I have very little long exposure. This is backup for that scenario. This is backup for when there's very little to do in the markets. Right now we are in an environment. I'm gonna kill these guys. I am going to kill these guys. Oh, this fleet. Oh my god. Oh, I need to deploy my infantry here. I need to deploy all of my infantry right here. Tesla is still hanging out below VWAP. I need to pause this. There was an alert going off. Let's see here. CCL. Yeah, CCL is about to take out the lows of the day. Okay. Yeah, Tesla, look at this. Look how perfectly it failed off VWAP so far. What's the name of the game? Rome 2 Total War. Exactly. Little bit better overview than in real life. But there is hardcore mode too, when it's more realistic. But oh man, I don't think I'm gonna win this. I don't think I'm gonna win this. I need to flank these guys so bad. So far I destroyed those guys, okay. These guys, lucky day, I have to fight in another place. Ah, my boats are gonna get so fucking killed here. I may actually win this. Ha! They're already routing. Oh man, imagine being this guy here, and you have to charge into this. Imagine that. Look at these spares. Okay, come on, guys. Come on. Come on. You can do this. You can do this. Holy shit. Imagine being in the front row. Holy shit, that must suck. It's like, yeah, I'm gonna die. There's no way I'm gonna survive this. Why are they not attacking with all of their guys at the same time? These guys are just sitting there. They're not doing anything. Stupid AI. Oh, now. Okay, let's go. Look at this. Imagine being the first row here. Oh my god. Ah, the first guy died. Oh my god. Okay, good luck. Good luck. These guys are already all dead. I'm gonna win this. I'm actually going to win this. It started, they had a much bigger, more powerful force, but I'm gonna win this because I'm in such a good defensive position. And I have these archers, or these javelin men, just throwing. Look at this. Look at this, they're already routing. It's just a slaughter. It's a slaughter. And I have a lot of backup cavalry here in case they break through my lines, but they're not going to. There's no way. There's no way they're gonna break through. I barely lost any men at all. Look at this. Ha! This, okay, yeah, and there's another group of enemies that died. Wait, is that my boat? Oh! Wait, my boats are still alive? They're still alive. They're not attacking my boats. There's like 5 guys on this boat. They were in a battle before, so almost everyone died. There's 4 guys on these boats each. But they're not attacking my boats. Look at this. Now all of these guys are dead. What the hell were they thinking? Look at the slaughter here. I lost barely any men at all. What a stupid thing. Exactly, it's Normandy moment. But in Normandy, they actually broke through. They're not gonna break through here. I have javelin men throwing javelins. They're getting out of... No, they still have a lot of ammo left. These guys can't do shit. And another boat. I can just fast forward it. I don't even have to do anything. I literally don't have to do anything. Now another group of guys. Look at this. Ah! Wait, no! They broke through because there was a gap in the formation. I'm gonna send a unit of cavalry to fix this. They actually broke through. Ah! Wait, okay. Never mind. I'm gonna send a couple of units of cavalry here. Because they actually broke through. I'm gonna hold this unit here. There was a gap in my line, so they actually got in between. That's no problem for my brave men. Look at this slaughterhouse. Imagine being that guy surrounded by enemies. That has to suck. And now there's a cavalry going, charging at you. Jesus Christ. Now look at these guys. Look at these guys. They're gonna get slaughtered. Oh, it's Praetorians. These are actually pretty good. These guys are really good. It's one of the best units in the game. Praetorians. Where's my cavalry? I have to withdraw this cavalry unit before because they're on the wrong side. To withdraw them, I'm gonna move my general to a little bit further forward. And now they don't have many boats left. Oh wow, this one Praetorian, 2 Praetorians who got through. They actually got to the other side of my men. What a miracle. Oh wow, I need to charge these guys. Praetorians are... Why can't I attack this unit? I'm gonna move the rest of my cavalry here too. They still have a bunch of boats. They're just gonna send men until they run out. That's their strategy. I barely lost any men and they... Wait, why are you not holding a line? You need to hold a line. You need to hold a line. That's better. Yeah, work's getting hit, yeah. They didn't like what they said on the CC, I guess. Yeah, this is the name of the game. Rome to Total War. If you think these kinds of games are cool, there's a lot of them. There's Warhammer, there's like Napoleon, there's a lot of these. This is one of this is not a new game. It's from like 2013. There's a bunch of these games. Now I'm out of arrows. My archers are out of arrows. Man, there's too big gaps in my... I'm gonna send in this cavalry unit. So these guys are like, yay, we broke through! But they're not gonna survive for long. And now they're routing. Oh, now they're sending in 4 boats at the same time. Interesting. I need to withdraw my cavalry a little bit here. Oh, now they actually killed my boat. Okay, I lost all my boats now. What is? Don't say. Oh, Praetorians, Legionnaires. Okay, this is going to be interesting. I'm gonna move my general a little bit further back. Now they're sending in their best guys. But I'm still gonna win this. There's no way. There's no way they're gonna break through. Okay, they're starting to break through. No, not yet. Okay, they're starting to break through here. Nah, nope. This is the last hooray. Now they're gonna all die. There's no way they're gonna break through. That was a bad bad move on their part. Now they're routing. Vive. Yeah, I mean and now they are. I'm gonna just fast forward this. Great. So let's see that. So I lost 233 men, and they lost 2,300 men. So for every man I lost, I killed 10. That's great. Oh, Tesla broke lower. I'm in a starter now. It takes out lows of the day. I'll add more on Tesla. I am gonna kill all the captives. Let's see here. Oh. I'm right in the middle of a civil war right now. I'm playing as Egypt. And I had a couple of provinces that kind of declared independence. And now I have to take them back. But I also lost my big fleet. My fleet... I have to rebuild my fleet because they joined the other side. Those damn fools. I need to build a more of a, let's see, Hellenic Royal Guard, pikemen, Thorax. Okay, great. What's this? Okay, this is a strong unit. Oh, wait. Oh, okay. I need to raise a general here. Oh, I can't because I have. Oh shit. I guess I'll have to move this general. Okay, Tesla is showing some more weakness. They don't have much defense over there. Okay, back to trading. Let's see here. Okay, Tesla, I am in now again. Gonna use 740 as my stop, and I'm also gonna use this 747. All right. Vive, let's see here. Vive, oh yeah, keeps going higher. Damn. SPXL is the weakest of them. SPICE are near the lows of the day. That's the weakest index by far. Like if the SPICE can pull back to the rising 10-day, SPXL is gonna go down. That's a big move, SPXL. Okta, oh man, these things are strong even though the markets are weak. I have to say it kind of sucks. Those are my bread and butter stocks like Vive, Coop, Okta, you know, it's growth names, and I'm not in them. I'm not in them, and they're just going straight up. I have to say it's a little bit frustrating. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I missed out on my bread and butter names. JD. Oh, why couldn't it make this move yesterday? Instead it had to stop me out. Of course. Damn, many reverse splits today. OIH looks like it had a reverse split too. Yeah, small caps have been showing relative weakness for a long time. They had, you know, they showed relative weakness already last year. Oh, it looks like this works might be some kind of a scam. Interesting. Yeah, I saw that. It's pretty cool. He's a funny guy. Interesting. I think I may short works on a good setup. There's a lot of sketchy people behind this thing. It's too much sketchiness going on. Follow this guy Auspex Research. He has some interesting things to say about it. Works. Right now it's holding up though. Obviously could always squeeze higher. But there is a big range here in like mid 8s or so. If it breaks below that, obviously we need a good setup on this thing. I'm not gonna short it just because there's some sketchy people behind it. You know, it could go to 50. It's the sketchiest stocks that make the biggest moves. Okay, I can't short it in my main account. Let's see here. Just trying to see if I can get locates. Yeah, I can get locates. That's okay. Pixie. Shit Pixie. Yeah, Shit Pixie is being Shit Pixie. I took a starter short on this works. It's been building lower highs for 2 days, and obviously the CC is not. It looks like it's not going well so far. So I'm taking a starter here. I'll add if it weakens, and if it closes really weak, I'm gonna hold it overnight. We'll see. Damn, it's about to take out the lows of the day. Come on, I want to fill more. Fill me. I want to get my fills. Oh, this is my usual luck, of course. Why didn't I start shorting it like 2-3 minutes earlier? I would have gotten all the size out. Fucking, I'm just not great with this low flow. I suck. What can I say? This is, and now it's gonna go to $5, of course. I tried to short 50,000 shares. I got filled on 25. Stupid SSR is on. And now it's going straight down. Is it halted now? Don't tell me they halted it. No, they didn't halt it. Yes, they halted it. Oh, bullshit. I'm gonna play my game. This is stupid. My usual luck. Like I was thinking I'll do 50,000 shares in the middle of a range, and I'll add another 50, takes out lows of the day, and now I'm just sitting in a quarter size. And okay, let's see here. No, my agent was wounded. Let's see here. Dump, 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 dump. Oh. All right. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, I am gonna die. Gonna auto resolve this. Wait, who attacked me? Oh, it wasn't them. Octavian's Rome. Where the fuck is my army? Okay, there's my army. Jesus Christ. Pompey's Rome? That fleet? Ugh. Or, well, actually I could defeat them right now. Okay, I'm gonna attack them right now. I'll attack them right now. Where is my damn army? There's those guys. Can I? Oh yeah, it's a slaughter. I'm gonna auto resolve this. And I'm gonna retake this city. Wait, what? Oh shit, I don't have an army here. Oh, oh my god, I suck. Okay, I guess I'll have to raise recruit, and then I'll just get a bunch of... Ugh, fuck, they're just taking over all my cities. Gonna get killed. Your treasure is empty. Yeah, I know, I know. Oh, God. Not good. Where is my nearest army? Oh, it's... Oh, fuck. This is... Oh my God. Can I reach this guy? I can almost reach that guy. I need to move my armies a little bit here. Yes, I know my treasury is empty. Let's see, this is gonna be an easy battle. Oh, I'm gonna get killed. Oh, yes, shit. Oh man, I'm in trouble right now. Not gonna lie, I am in trouble. Not going to lie. Oh, are you gonna... Wait. No, that's my army. No, it's not. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, works, of course, gapping down after a halt, and I'm in quarter size. Great. Oh, and I don't have any money to repair stuff. Shit, this is not good. This is not good at all. Wait, I have a fleet here. Okay. I should use the fleet, I guess. Should use the fleet to... Oh yeah, okay. Attack that one. Oh, this one I'm actually going to attack. Play on the battlefield. Start deployment. Let's see, where are those? Oh, it's not a naval battle. I thought it was gonna be a naval battle. What is this? Medium missile ship. Melee. All the melee. And artillery. Okay. Where can I... Okay, here. I'm gonna put my forces right here. Oh, okay. So they have to put their guys on land too. Oh shit, I let them board my general. That's not good. Not good. Not good at all. At least I'm gonna have the town square soon. I've never done this kind of a battle before, so I don't know what to expect. Well, I'm not gonna let them land. Ah. Okay, I can still win this thing. I will win this thing. Question is, where are they gonna land their boats? Tesla is taking out Lowe's again. Okay, okay, they're taking their guys here. Okay, okay. Oh shit, I need to do this at half speed. Damn, they're smart. right, let's see here. I'm gonna do a last scan. Oh, work X. God damn. I think it goes to like low fives this week, but man, this is a quarter size. What am I gonna do with this? Carvana is very weak. BP. Tesla is right at this rising 10 moving average on the 60-minute chart. It's right on that support area. PSTI strong, another Corona name. All right, thanks for joining, and good luck trading. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm short Works, and I'm short Works quarter size, and I'm short Tesla full size. Thanks for joining. Hope you have a great trading day. I'm gonna play Rome 2 for the rest of the day. I'm gonna retake my empire. Okay, thanks guys. See ya.